Hello and welcome to a course tour for our class. When you log into Brightspace, you'll click on the buttons to go to your class. The first thing you want to do is go to Course Menu, Learning Modules. Click on Start Here. You can review the syllabus, and then you will want to go to the Announcements section. Back to Course Menu, Announcements. Please read through the announcements. There's an introduction and about me. And our textbook will be an online textbook. And this information here is how you sign up for it. And we will come back to that in just a minute. One thing that I would like to point out is anytime we have a discussion, which we have one in our first week, there will be a post from me with some notes to help you succeed with the discussion. Also in the discussion list, general questions. That is where you can ask a question. Please note that the entire class will see this. Okay, there's the discussion one helper again, and then a list of frequently asked questions. Let's go back to learning modules. There are 8 modules that you'll go through. Each of them is separated into its own unit. And anytime you go to a module, let's go to module 1, there's an introduction and the list of the activities. So let's talk about what types of activities we'll have in this class. The first thing that you will want to do is read your textbook. Within your textbook, there are questions that you'll answer that are graded. Those are called participation and challenge activities. So let's see how we register for the textbook. Let's go back to menu, course menu, announcements. And here we have our information on registering for the textbook. So you'll click on that website. It's going to ask for a course code, which is listed here in this announcement. Right here is your course code in that announcement. Okay, so when you go to your textbook, you'll see Math 240. You won't see that 243. That's something else that I teach. So Math 240. We have 8 weeks and there's 8 modules. Each week is a module. So you can open it by clicking on the arrow on the right. Each section you'll need to read. You'll read each section that is in the module. One module equals 1 week. Okay, so let's look at what that looks like. What is data? That's going to be our first section. So you'll read, and here's our first participation activity. Now, I have already done these because I made another video earlier. But let's just say you click on something and it will tell you if it's right or wrong. It will also tell you the answer. Okay, once you find the answer, you'll see these orange check marks. So let me find something that I haven't done. Okay, so here's some more participation activities. So let me intentionally get this wrong. Okay, so it will tell you that's not right. Okay, you can keep retrying until you get them all correct. Your goal is to get an orange check mark over there. You can try them over and over and over until you get a 100%. Okay, so there's participation activities, and then there's also challenge activities. All of these are graded. The entire module, you'll need to do all challenge and all participation activities. Okay, let's go back to our course in Brightspace. And how will you proceed each week? You'll read your book, do your participation activities, and there will be one other assignment. It will either be a discussion, an assignment, or a project. Okay, how do you know what's due? Every Monday there will be a module. a module announcement. It will introduce the topics. It will tell you what to read. I'll also put a link to the reading in that announcement as a quick link. Okay, and then it will tell you exactly what's due. And there will also be a helper document attached for whichever extra activity that you have. Okay, so read the announcement every Monday. Also, if you would like to, you can print this document right here, this due dates document, for a list of what's due each week and what day. Okay. Let's go back to learning modules. In each module, there'll be an introduction and then your list of activities. Okay, in week 2, we're going to have an assignment. And there's also projects. Assignments and projects have a template that you will use to submit. Okay, it's a Word document that you will fill in a specific template to use. So let's click on, in week 2, our assignment requirements. Okay, it has some data and then this template right here. Any assignment and any project, you'll use the template. You'll download it and fill it in, and that will be how you submit your assignment. Okay. The main thing is, please read all the announcements each week, and then please use the document attached to help you with the extra assignment, okay, the assignment that's not reading activities, either the discussion, assignment, or a project. Okay, each week we'll have participation and challenge, and then one other thing to do. Okay, and that is a tour of our course.